Hi everyone, this is Idris from dropsinfo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can import products review from Aliexpress into your Woocommerce dropshipping store. Reviews are one of the things people always look at before they place an order on a store, and these reviews sometimes have the potential of increasing your website conversion and also increase your website trust. A product with a lot of reviews have a lot of buyers' confidence, and for a dropshipping store it is hardly to see people writing a review on such products. So if you are operating a dropshipping business, especially if you are on Woocommerce, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can import the original Aliexpress product review into your Woocommerce dropshipping store. But before I reveal to you the way to do this, I would like to invite you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any of my video updates. Alright, let's go straight to the video. There is a website called Rewiews, Rewiews, Review. I will leave the link in the description below. This website will help you to import the Aliexpress original review into your Woocommerce dropshipping store. What you need to do is to sign up for an account with these people, that is with this website, and then you will install a Google Chrome extension on your Google browser, and then you go to your WordPress dashboard to install their plugin, and you are done. So in this video I'm going to take you through how you can do that. So first of all, you make sure you click on the link below to register for an account. Once you click on the link below this video, you'll be taken to this page. This is the home page of the review websites. So once you are here, you can read everything about the websites, but what we need to do after coming to this place is to sign up for an account. It is easy to sign up for an account. To click on register for free and then follow the procedure and finish with the signing up process. Once you are done, you will be directed to your dashboard. So I'm logged into my dashboard. This is one of my demo accounts. So once you are also on your dashboard, the first thing you need to do is to come to settings. When you click on the settings, you then come to general. So once you click on general, what you need to do is to come to this where it says your shop. Now you copy your shop URL and paste it here. Once you paste the URL here, that is your store URL, you paste it here. Once you paste the URL, you then come and save. After this, you can choose to leave the other settings as they are. In this case, you don't touch anything. Then you can read through. They are self-explanatory. You can read through and see what they have in there. Alright, so once you copy your store URL and paste it here and then save it, you are done. Now the next thing to do is to go to your Woocommerce dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, you then come to plugins. Under plugins, you come to add new. You click on add new. Okay, now come to the search. Under the search, you type review. Okay, once you type review, that is Rewiews, in the search, you will be displaying with these two options. So what you need to do is to take the first option. You click on install and activate. I already activated it on my dashboard, so you also activate it. Once you are done with the activation, there is this last thing you need to do. You have to open your Google Chrome web store. Once you open the Google Chrome web store, you search for this extension, imports/exports Aliexpress. The first option, you click on it. Alright, the first option is what we are going to install. So you click on add to Chrome and then you install it. Now it is time for you to import the Aliexpress review into your Woocommerce dropshipping store. So to do that, you go back to your Woocommerce dashboard, then you come to products, then all products. Then you'll be displaying with all the products. So these are the products in one of my stores. So now when you are here, let's say we are going to import the Aliexpress review of these products. Let's open the product and see whether there are review on it. Alright, this is the product. As you can see, when you scroll down, there are no reviews on this product. This product is on my store. I imported it from Aliexpress to my store. So in this case, I'm going to import the reviews of this product from Aliexpress into my store. So to do that, you come to the products on your dashboard. So you click on edit. Okay, when you click on edit, it will open like this in your dashboard. So now what you need to do is to copy the title of the product. So you copy it. Now open a new tab and type aliexpress.com in the address bar. So once you type Aliexpress in the address bar, you'll be taken to the Aliexpress homepage. Once you're on the Aliexpress homepage, you then come to the search. Now you paste the heading there and then click on the search icon. Okay, now when you click on the search icon, you will be displaying with the various products. Then you select the one which is in your store. So in this case, this is the one in my store. So I click on it. Okay, so now once I click on the product, it will open in a new tab. So this is now the product. When you scroll down, you will see the reviews for this product. When you scroll down and come to the review side, you'll see the reviews for this product. So we are going to import this review into our Woocommerce dropshipping store. So what you need to do next, again, after opening the product in the new tab, is to go back to your dashboard. That is your Woocommerce dashboard. Then you come down here and click on edit. So when you click on edit, you then copy everything there and go back to the product once it's open in a new tab. Then what you need to do is to look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You will see the Chrome extension you've installed. That is the import/export review Aliexpress. So you will see it here. This is the symbol there. So you click on it. Okay, when you click on it, it will ask you to enter your product handle. So the product handle is what we copied here. This one is the product handle. You come back to the products, then you paste it here. When you paste it, then you click on get reviews. So now we wait for the reviews to be imported. As you can see, please wait. So let's wait for a second. Alright, review of this product has been exported. So now has been exported. Now you can click on edit now to view it on your review app dashboard. Alright, so now as you can see, this is now the review. 19 reviews have been exported to our dropshipping store. So now we have total of 2,876 reviews of this product on Aliexpress, where it was only 20 was exported to our store. The reason is that we are using the free version of this app, so you can go and use the paid version, that is the premium plans, in order to export all the reviews into your store. The reason why they gave us only 20 reviews is that we are using the free version of this app. So to get all the reviews, you have to upgrade to the paid version. You can click on the link below to go and purchase the paid version. So this is how you export reviews from Aliexpress into your Woocommerce dropshipping store. So from here you can go back to the product on your store and then refresh it to see whether the reviews are in. So let's refresh the page and see whether the reviews are now in. Alright, now as you can see, the reviews are now in, showing 1 to 10 of 19 reviews. As you can see, when you go back to the this in the store, that is in the dashboard, you see the reviews were 19, and when you come back to our store, it is also 19 reviews. So these are all the reviews we've exported from AliExpress into the Woocommerce dropshipping store. So this is just a quick video on how you can export reviews from AliExpress into your Woocommerce dropshipping store, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Please, if you find this video helpful, I will encourage you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to like the video for other people to also benefit from it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.